We're all career women. We're all like really interested in our work, and then you have to balance it too.
Exactly.
And it's
so
sort of like, oh
hard.
my God, it's like this old-fashioned ideal of like, well, wait a minute, wait, who am I? Am I like the person who's waiting at home in a garter belt and high heels? People you get in a relationship with can be turned off when you reveal how important your life is to them. Who has had that issue?
I noticed that even, especially with women, we want to be in charge, but then we want to be the woman. Like, and not to say that the men are who are in charge, but there's so many times where we can't just settle in and just decide to be the feminine energy in the situation. We get to these points where we want to wear the pants and then we want him to lift up the skirt.
I have been in many relationships where I can sit back and say, I was the dude, or I was definitely the girl. But at the end of the day, there is someone that takes a dominant role and a passive role. Maybe not to the extreme, but you know, like there is someone that I think does take charge a little bit more than the other.
Well, why can't you be that career woman, and then when you come home and your doors are closed, if you want to be his whore, then that's cool. Like,
I'll be more than happy to close the door and be in the whore, but I really get home very tired. I want to go to sleep.
She's a tired whore.
I really feel like I really would love to have that energy, but sometimes not, and that's what some of the issues come.
You're never going to get everything. Nope. I mean, in life. I mean, but you know, maybe it's reattuning and valuing. I value companionship, as opposed to just valuing the struggle.
When I was watching the roundtable discussion, I noticed that you ladies were discussing roles in a relationship. And I think it's perfectly normal and healthy to have roles in a relationship. Often that can work great until it doesn't work great. Sometimes their conflict can come in if someone feels that they're pigeonholed into a role that they really don't feel comfortable with, or you know, or someone becomes resentful that they're doing a role that they might not want to do.
It's hard for me to disconnect from my my stress from outside the house. I come to the house and I have all these things that happened to me today, and I have to disconnect and then being maybe nice to each other and have this moment of love, but I'm thinking about something else. There's some needs that I feel I have.
Tell your partner what you need, what kind of changes he needs to make that part of the relationship work smoother. I always resort back to good communication. You've got to start someplace. And if a role isn't working for you in a relationship, if you feel that you were given this role and you don't want this role, you've got to have a talk with your partner.